Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, do you know the 7 tested ways to learn language fast? With this new ebook, you'll learn how to use our learning system to speak better, remember more words, and improve fast. Download it for free right now. Second, the new Occupations Conversation Cheat Sheet. Can you talk about your job in your target language? With this cheat sheet, you can. Inside, you learn all the must-know words and phrases for jobs and occupations. Third, the 20 phrases for daily routines. If you can't talk about your day yet, this 1-minute lesson will get you speaking. You'll learn the must-know phrases, from talking about waking up and brushing your teeth, to dinner and going to sleep. Fourth, what are you afraid of? Public speaking? Spiders? Rejection? With the new Phrases to Express Your Fears lesson, you'll be able to talk about what you're afraid of in your target language. Fifth, free audiobooks for our members only. Unlock our huge library of language learning audiobooks. Save them to your device and listen and learn. They're yours to keep forever. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then get 31% off Premium and Premium Plus with the You Can Speak sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now, before they expire.